Sorry I'm late today. Traffic. So I am so excited today. Today we're going to do something that I have been waiting for a long time. And I'm so excited. And I know you are too. Today we're going to stretch barbed wire. So let's do that. Hey kids, Goodly Grandpa here, and today I'm going to finish my barbed wire fence. Now you're probably thinking, more fencing? Really? Haven't we done enough fencing videos? Well, this is totally different. Before we were stretching woven wire fence, and this is barbed wire fence, so a completely different thing altogether. So this should be really fun, super exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. So let's talk a little bit about barbed wire fencing. So when we arrived on the farm, we found the fence that you can see behind me. It was a 4-wire barbed wire fence designed to keep the cows in the pasture. Now, 4 wires of barbed wire is plenty to contain cows, but not nearly enough to contain goats. Goats are very good at escaping. In fact, there's a farmer's adage that says, take a bucket of water, throw it at your fence. If any water gets through, then your goats will escape. So we're not quite going to make a watertight fence here, but we do need to tighten this fence up considerably. So I referred to a book called... So the book is called Raising Meat Goats, Story's Guide to Raising Meat Goats. And the reference in the book is here. So right here you can see if you're going to put up a barbed wire fence, it gives you certain dimensions to put it up. So this is what I'm going to follow with regard to my fence. So as you can see, 4 wires, not nearly enough to contain goats. So I didn't film this because it was raining and I didn't want to bring my camera out in the rain, but I've already put up several strands of wire down here, so I just really need to put up another strand between those two and between those two, and then I think I'm good. So let's go ahead and just finish this fence up. You can see it goes all the way down to the gate over there. And that's just the portion of the barbed wire fence. So it just goes to here. The rest of the fencing all the way down to the barn and then across over there to that corner and then back across up here to this corner. That's all the woven wire fence. So this is the only section of barbed wire fence. Once I'm done with this, I'm almost done with my fencing. Alright, so here's my roll of barbed wire, or what's left of my roll of barbed wire. There should be plenty to make 2 more strands. So all I need to do is to stretch 1 strand of wire out along that fence, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've pulled the barbed wire all the way down to the far post. Now I'm just going to measure the proper height, tack it to the post, and then tie it off on this end.
Fancy things in magazines, diamond rings and beauty queens, but nothing seems to sparkle like you do. There's fine cigars and caviar, expensive cars and movie stars, but everything I need is in this room. Oh, and I've seen the lights from New York to Vegas, and I've tasted wine from Venice to Paris, and I've seen the sights, nothing comparing to you. So I ain't looking over fences, trying to find a better view. My search for all that ended when I first laid eyes on you. And the grass is always greener, 'cause the sun shines when you smile. And when I'm holding you, the world makes sense on my side of the fence.
Okay, that should be plenty to secure the wire on this end and allow me to pull it tight from the other end. Okay, so now I'm back at the other end where I'm ready to stretch the wire nice and tight on this end so I can secure it on this pole. So to stretch it tight, I'm going to use this little tool. It's a wire grabber, so it'll help me just get a hold of the wire. I'm going to attach that to one end of a come-along pulley. And then I'll put this on the wire. So we'll put it there and just wrap it around, and that just cinches down nice and tight on the wire so you can really grab the wire. A little further this way. Okay. On the other end, I'll go ahead and wrap. Let's see, let me just wrap chain around this post. All right, and then I can attach the other end of my my come along to the post over here. Okay, and then I can just use this pulley to pull everything nice and tight.
If I ever win the lottery, it wouldn't mean a lot to me, 'cause I already got you to hold my hand. And if a genie gave me a million wishes, I'd spend them all on all your kisses and save just one.
Okay, that should do it. I think that's going to be tight enough. Now we'll just go ahead and secure it at this end.
There's fine cigars and caviar, expensive cars and movie stars, but everything I need is in this room. Oh, and I've seen the lights from New York to Vegas, and I've tasted wine from Venice to Paris, and I've seen the sights, nothing comparing to you. So I ain't looking over fences, trying to find a better view. My search for all that ended when I first laid eyes on you. And the grass is always greener, 'cause the sun shines when you smile. And when I'm holding you, the world makes sense on my side of the fence. If I ever win the lottery, it wouldn't mean a lot to me, 'cause I already got you to hold my hand. And if a genie gave me a million wishes, I'd spend them all on all your kids.
Okay, so I got that posted in, pounded in that post there. Now I just have to do it 1, 2, 3, a million more times, stapling the wire to each post like, which one is it? Like that, right there. So I'll do that next.
Say just one to stay right where I am. So I ain't looking over fences, trying to find a better view. My search for all that ended when I first laid eyes on you. And the grass is always greener, 'cause the sun shines when you smile. And when I'm holding you, the world makes sense on my side of the fence. You're the rain on the roof in the summer. You're the leaves in the fall changing color. You're the whisper I hear in the thunder on my side of the fence. You're the reason my heart's beating faster. You're the tears falling down from the laughter. You're the only one I'm after. So I ain't looking over fences, trying to find a better view. My search for all that ended when I first laid eyes on you. And the grass is always greener, 'cause the sun shines when you smile. And when I'm holding you, the world makes sense. Baby, when I'm holding you, the
Farming is fencing.
world makes sense on my side of the fence. You know it does, baby, on my side.